Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Eli, and Eli writes from Parsippany, New Jersey. And Eli writes, can we write off our home improvements on our taxes? Well, that's a good question, Eli. You know, the IRS gives special tax treatment to certain types of loans for home improvements. So single filers can write off up to $500,000 and married filers up to $1 million in mortgage interest that's used to buy, build, or improve a first or a second home. So that may in fact allow you to write off the interest paid on your home repairs or improvements if, for example, you were to use a home equity line of credit to pay for those home repairs. So thanks for your question, Eli. Good luck. For more real estate information and tips, visit geraldlucas.com or performanceproperty.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.